Many places grey and damp today with further outbreaks of rain about. And the problem lies in this area of low pressure, which is sucking in pretty mild air from the continent, but it's also sucking in bands of rain. And that theme's going to continue right the way through the weekend. Now, many places have seen some heavy bursts of rain today, but Dunkeswell Aerodrome just into Devon has seen 22 millimetres, that's virtually an inch, in about 11 hours. Now, on the radar picture, we can see more heavy rain at the moment across north-east England through south-east Wales, but the heaviest probably is now moving across into Northern Ireland, so a wet evening to come there. If we look at the forecast, we can see yet another bout of rain coming into the southwest this side of midnight, and that heavy bout of rain pushing northwards across many parts of the country as we go through the night. So some rain to come for most of us tonight, the main exception being the far northwest of Britain, where it'll be clear and cold, mainly dry, just the odd shower about, and a touch of frost is on the cards as well. There could even be the odd fog patch for a while in Scotland, but I think the wind generally is going to be quite strong and freshening in many parts of Britain as the night goes along. It will be a mild night, generally 6 to 10 degrees, and if anything, temperatures rising through the night. Well, we're dominated at the weekend by that area of low pressure down to the south of the country. We'll keep on drawing in bands of rain around it, and we'll draw in very mild air as well from the continent. So we are in for quite a surprise for this stage of the year. Really high temperatures are certainly potential. Some potential for some really high temperatures, I should say. Now, that's what we've got at the moment, and for tomorrow we've got low pressure moving in towards Southern Ireland with bands of rain coming around it. Eventually, though, we can see somewhat dry weather feeding in across much of England and possibly into Wales through the afternoon on Saturday. A pretty gloomy start, though. Some heavy thundery rain certainly possible down there in the southwest, and we'll find that rain covering many parts of northern Britain for the afternoon. The exception again being the far north, where it'll just be showery. Eventually, somewhat brighter weather turning up in the southeastern quarter of Britain, then some sunshine here and there. And with the sunshine, we could see temperatures of 15, possibly even 16 degrees. But it won't be anything like as mild as that further north, 9 or 10, more likely across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now, a similar theme in store for Sunday. Some rain for a while in the morning across the far north of Scotland. The rain hanging on across Northern Ireland, particularly